we have a perfect 50-50 before. But yeah, let's get into the next song, man. Let's get into the next song. This one is Emiliana. Okay, from the title already, I'm getting like he's going on that Spanish, you know what I mean? Because if you listen to Boyfriend EP, one of the strong elements of that EP was the guitars. Like, I mean, that Spanish, that Latin-esque romantic atmosphere that you can salsa to or like just slow wine to. I think that's the direction this might go with, because I'm hearing from the name Emiliana, and I think it's a Spanish name. Correct me if I'm wrong. But yeah, let's hear this new CKay record, Emiliana. Let's go. Okay, strong grand piano keys right there, man. I knew the guitars were gonna. Yes, man. Let's go. I'm here for the guitars. Let's fucking go.
All because of you, I be on the phone all night long. Don't be smart when you do it to me. Oh no, no, no.
Hey!
I be on my business, shawty, but you be on my mind, shawty. Ebelebe, olo my honey,
Okay, Ebelebe, let's go.
Kiss me to the phone.
Wait, Ebelebe music is becoming a thing, like only Ebelebe references, but CKay is bringing it here, man. I'm interested. I'm interested to hear it.
I be on my business, shawty,
hey,
but you be on my mind, shawty. Ebelebe, olo my honey,
that harmony.
Kiss me to the cellular, kiss me to the phone.
Ooh.
Can't you see I'm into ya? Can't you see I'm in love? Kiss me to the cellular, kiss me to the phone. Yeah, messing with my medulla. I can't talk alone.
Oh, this is good.
Emiliana, 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 no. Emiliana, Emiliana, Emiliana.
This is what I'm talking about.
Emiliana, 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 no. My Emiliana, 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 no.
Now, this is for TikTok. This is for TikTok. This is a jingle. This is the moment. This is something you can hold on to. This is something to grab onto. Right now, what we're experiencing is him taking a similar route of a love entity where he starts the song with a, you know what I mean, just guitar elements, very romantic, very raunchy, okay, very like, you know what I mean, right there in the love entity space, and then he gets into a soothing, relaxing verse where you can hear from his vocals. You know what I mean? His vocals have that very unique, that unique delivery, and those inflections you can hear, like like, you know what I mean, all those Arab-ish or like Carnatic type of music like vocal deliveries. And I've seen that evidently right now as we get into the chorus, and it's just repeating one song, Emiliana, Emiliana. Yo, you can know repetition comes in here heavy when you're looking for a TikTok jingle, and I think he's catching one. The melody right now, he was humming on the song before. At least right now he's not humming though. I'll give him credit for not humming. Maybe he hums eventually.
Emiliana, 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 no.
Oh man, guitars, let's go. This belongs on Boyfriend EP, man.
Girl, I wanna know what it feel like, what it feel like. Like I know I see beat for real life.
This is good.
Real life. In my condo, loving up your body in fast and slow mo. If I hit you, it's my combo. Can you never ever let me go? Dancing, kiss me to the cellular, kiss me to the phone.
Oh, I love this pre-chorus right here. Kiss me to the cellular, kiss me to the phone. TikTok.
Kiss me to the cellular, kiss me to the phone.
Yo, TikTok. They're calling in right now. I said, CKay, let's go. Another campaign. Oh, so silky smooth, bro. Nah. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh. He flows like a river, man. Like so silky smooth, man. Strong guitar moments, man. That's what CKay is about. This is the CKay I love, man. I'm sorry. This is it. This is gonna be another hit, man. This is gonna take his time, but I think that's a hit. I think he has one. I think CKay has one, bro. Like, what are we talking about? This CKay has one. CKay has one. CKay has one. I love the song. I love the song. The arrangement of the song, brilliant, brilliant. The transitions from the chorus to the pre-chorus to the chorus, man. He has one. He has one, man. TikTok is already on the phone. TikTok is calling. Oh yeah, our guy starts posting. We're going to go, and there's going to be another campaign around it. And I think it's easy to see this as, oh, this is a formula now. He's just going to do that every time. But I think this is CKay. This was already CKay, hence why I Love Fantasy existed already. But this was already a CKay that, who knows? He probably recorded this right after Boyfriend EP, when Love Fantasy wasn't even picking up steam as it was. Well, Love Fantasy has been picking up steam, but this is probably at the time where he thought, you know what I mean, I'm just gonna make a record that feels very well in the character and in the identity of the Boyfriend EP, that somehow lands on the Love Fantasy type atmosphere too. Those strong guitars, those Spanish guitars, I love that shit, bro. I love that so much. And the fact that Emiliana is a Eastern European, or it's not Eastern European, I guess it's like a Spanish name, but it just feels like it's calling for an international record. It's calling for, like, you know what I mean, it's calling for a global attention when you have a name as sweet as Emiliana. You know what I mean? Something is like, yeah, like he's going ambitious on this record. He's definitely going to have an ambitious moment. I absolutely love this song. The melody is sweet, very easy to follow, and his delivery is top notch. So silky smooth as it flows through the record. Yeah, you might see it as him following the vein of Love Fantasy, but I think this is just who this is him in his element. This is him in his bag. This is not anything like that feels, oh, because of Love Fantasy you're doing this. I feel like this was already him before even Love Fantasy had a moment as it did. So look at any record from that Boyfriend EP. This fits right here. This fits perfectly into that EP. It fits perfectly into that space of emo Afrobeats that he has been branding as a genre. You know what I mean? As a subgenre of Afrobeats. Like, this feels very well in that lane, and I'm happy for him because he's obviously at the top tier. Like, this is the peak he has ever, like, any artist has ever been out of Africa in terms of the digital and just the overall presence. This Love Fantasy had how many certifications in how many countries. Like, no Afrobeat song had ever gotten to the level that Love Fantasy did. And the fact that he's operating at that level and having a song that feels very much well in that quality. Obviously, it might fall on deaf ears because it's a sophomore to that attempt. Some people might not feel it because, oh yeah, this is a try hard attempt to give me something that you already gave me before. But again, I feel like this is this is in his element. This is in his bag. From the guitar strings to the soothing vocals, this is brilliant. This is another masterclass of CKay, man. This is another masterclass of CKay. I'm tired of talking about this record. How you guys feeling about it? You guys are 94% on that. That's strong. That's strong. You guys are 94%. That's strong. Definitely one of the best rated songs out tonight, man. Yeah, you guys are 94, which is strong. You've gotten a good sense of it. That's 94. Yeah, what are the comments saying? Yeah, this song is sweet. Ebelebe, yes, Ebelebe music, he's coming with that. He had that sort of Ebelebe. I love that because Ebelebe is such a 2021 thing, man. And I like that I actually threw that in. Mike is saying, okay, I think this one is clear. Bro, this song is clear of what we just heard before that. I didn't carefully listen to it. But this song is good, Mike. This song is great. Definitely in the minority, but this one to me sounds cookie cutter. You think this sounds cookie cutter? Yeah, I can definitely see why you think it's like formulaic or like cookie cutter to CKay. But the simplicity behind it is also what carries a record like that. You know what I mean? But yeah, cut CKay the check. It needs a clean ass video. That's for sure. This has always been CKay. Thank you. This has always been CKay, man. This has always been CKay. Yeah, and Mike says let's move on. But yeah, let's get into the next track still.